funny. So Owen's going to try to pull up this tree out of our front yard. It's kind of dead and scraggly. We don't like it anymore. But we'll see how it goes. Evidently he thinks Nelly's going to do a good job with it. Nelly is a good old truck. So the first thing he's doing is he's wrapping a strap to a chain, which that within itself I'm not sure about. Seems like the chain should go around the... We don't have a longer chain? Okay. Okay. So should the strap be closer to the top? Or should it be around the bottom? Alright, here we go. Tree's going over. It's coming up. The strap broke. Who would have thought?
That worked real good.
Strap.
Hey.
Who would have thought that would have happened? But it was coming up.
Yeah, you didn't think it was.
I didn't think it was going to move. But hey. But the strap broke. Alright. So we named our truck today when, for some reason, my grandma used to say, "Whoa, Nelly." Might have been her mule or something.
Whoa, Nelly!
So I said that today, and we decided that would be a good name for our truck. Here's the haul. There's my destroyed hostas. But good thing about hostas, you can replant those things and they'll come back next year.